Now let's try to see fork in action. Like how do you use Git Fork in real time? So let's go with the same assumption that you joined as a DevOps engineer within this organization and there are a bunch of repositories. So your team lead mentioned that you will be working on this repository. So what you're going to do as a first step, you will fork this repository because you will not have write access. So to make any changes in future, you will create a fork. Okay, click on the fork button. Let's keep the name the same way. Click on create fork. That's it. A fork is now created. Now, next day you are asked to make a change to it. Now you already read the source code. Your team lead felt you are good enough. So you are asked to make a change to this shell script. For the purpose of video, let's say the change is as simple as to update the description. Just for the video. How will you do it? Now that you already created a fork, just go to your fork, which I am already at. Take the URL and clone this locally on your machine. So what I'm doing, I'm cloning the fork. I'm still using the clone option, but this time I'm doing it on the fork. So git clone followed by the URL. Great. Now I have it on my local. Let's cd to that directory. And now the first thing that you will do is you will create a branch. We learned this in the Git Fork workflow section as well, that always you should create a branch. How do you do that? Git checkout, provide a name for it, update description, because this is my task. So git checkout -b, this will create a branch. Now I have this branch. I can also run git status to see that I'm on this particular branch. Let's update the script. I'll just add a new line to the description, nothing more than that. How do I update the changes? I'll just run git add command. Git add, git commit. Let's say a simple change, updated description. Now I will run the push command. So how will you run the push command? Git push origin. What is your origin? If you do git remote -v, you can see your origin is your fork. So you are not pushing to the parent repository, you are pushing to the fork. So git push origin, name of the branch that you created, which is update description. Perfect. Now you should see that update description, a new branch is created. So instead of one branch, if I refresh, you will see that there are two branches. And this branch will not exist on DevOps by examples. See, DevOps by examples still have one branch itself. But if you go to this particular repository, you will see an option to create a pull request. Now, this is one automation provided by Git where you don't have to click on multiple buttons. But if you go to that repository instantly, you will see an option that create a pull request from I am Viramala shell, which is my user space. This is the branch to the main branch of the repository. If you're working on a different branch, you can create a pull request to a different branch as well. Okay, add things to the description, click on create pull request. Now, if the developer or DevOps engineer, whoever reviews your change, if they feel it is good enough, they'll go through the file changes. And if they think, okay, Abhishek has done a good job, they will click on merge pull request. That's it. This is how fork is used in real time. Always use fork when you're working in your organization within a team where you don't have write access to the repository. I hope this is absolutely clear. Make sure you complete the assignment. You will see which in the next section.